Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this short video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily mount your precious photos or other prints onto MDF board using a photo mount spray adhesive. This technique can also be applied to plywood or foam core board. It's up to you what thickness of MDF you prefer. These two 5x7 prints are mounted on 5/8 inch MDF and are then placed on a 3/8 inch MDF backing board. This Kathakali Dancer's print, which I took in Kerala, India, is mounted on 3/8 inch MDF. If you're interested in seeing some of my photos, I will leave a couple links below. And this key rack was made using 5/8 inch MDF. Once you have decided on your print it out about a 1/4 inch larger on both sides. So for a finished 5x7 print, make the print 5¼ inches by 7¼ inches. This would give it an overhang of about 1/8 of an inch on all sides. This gives you a little margin for error in case the print shifts a bit when gluing it to the board. Cut your white borders off the print using either a utility knife or a guillotine. Using either a jigsaw, circular saw, or table saw, cut your MDF board or plywood to size. Wipe the board thoroughly to remove any dust before attempting to mount the print. Paint the edges of the MDF using either acrylic paint or anything else you may have available. To mount the photos to the MDF board, I will be using Scotch Photo Mount spray adhesive. In a well-ventilated area, spray the back of your photo with the photo mount adhesive spray. Be sure to place a barrier between your photo and the surface it is resting on, as the spray will leave a sticky surface. For prints larger than 12 by 12 inches, spray a second coat of the adhesive in a cross direction. They also recommend spraying the board for large prints. After spraying, lift your prints up immediately and place it somewhere to dry for 1 to 2 minutes to allow it to get tacky. Align one of the edges of the print to the board. Then using a soft cloth or brayer roller, apply pressure to remove any air bubbles and ensure that the print is properly adhered to the board. Turn your board over and remove the excess overhanging paper with a utility knife. Press the blade against the board as a guide and cut the full length in one go. For this 2-print mount, I simply glued the 5x7 mounted prints to a larger MDF board using Gorilla Glue. To protect my Epson inkjet prints from minor scratches and fingerprints, and to extend the life of the print, I applied 2 to 3 coats of Premier Arts Print Shield, preferably before mounting the prints. You can hang your mounted prints using either screws or eye hooks and some twine, but I prefer to use these heavy-duty strap hangers due to the weight of the MDF. And I also used this super soft strand coated wire. Turn your print over and measure about 1/3 of the way down from the top and place 2 marks. This is where you will insert your screws. I then attached my strap hangers to the MDF board using the screws that came with it. I cut a length of the plastic coated wire and inserted it into the strap hanger and wrapped it as shown on both straps. Then I cut off the excess wire. The photos are now ready to be hung and admired. I hope you enjoyed the video and now feel motivated to mount your own photos, whether it's for an exhibition or home display. If you're interested in purchasing any of the photos shown in this video, I'll leave a couple links below. Thanks for watching and bye for now.